To start with, you're going to do a hand roll from your thumb to your pinky. When you do the whole roll, you're not going to catch it back in your hand. You're just going to let it go over. Once it gets to the pinky side of your hand, when your baton should be almost flat, you're going to bring your arm in to do like you were going to do an elbow roll. Let it go over your elbow, and then you'll catch underneath your arm in your left hand as if you were catching a regular elbow roll. So out you go, hand roll, bring it in, elbow, and then catch underneath with your left hand. So all together, you'll do your hand roll, wrist, elbow, catch. You want to make sure you catch it with your left palm up. Don't try and grab it like slap catch it with your hand down. Yep, perfect.